What if I told you there's a dish so technically demanding, it once made 4 MasterChef semifinalists question every life choice that led them to that moment? Meet coffee-crusted venison with truffle gnocchi, silky cauliflower puree, made by boiling cauliflower in milk because we're fancy like that, and a red wine chocolate sauce that sounds like dessert but behaves like pure, savory genius. Look at that. Dark coffee crust, rosy pink center, a sauce that thinks it's from a French patisserie but plays perfectly with game meat. This isn't just cooking. This is culinary theater. This is the exact dish Gordon Ramsay unleashed on MasterChef Season 13, Episode 18. 4 components, precision timing, and a flavor combination that sounds weird until you taste it and realize, oh, this is why he's Gordon Ramsay. Let's break it down. Start with your venison. In medieval Europe, this was food for royalty. Poaching a deer could get you hanged. Today, we're just poaching flavors. Mix finely ground espresso, brown sugar, smoked paprika, and pepper. Pat your venison dry, and I mean dry. Moisture is the enemy of a good sear. Coat it generously. Now get your pan screaming hot. Olive oil in, venison in, 60 to 90 seconds per side. Coffee rubs burn faster than a reality TV contestant under pressure, so watch it. You're building the Maillard reaction. That's fancy science for brown equals delicious. Thyme and garlic, then basting like our lives depend on it. Into a 375-degree oven for 4 to 6 minutes. Pull it at 125 degrees. Rest it. Rest it. I know you want to slice it. Don't. 5 minutes. Trust the process. While that rests, gnocchi. Bake or boil your potatoes. Rice them. Add egg yolk, parmesan, and truffle paste. Because if you're going to be extra, be extra. Gently mix in flour until you have a soft dough. Roll into ropes, cut into pillows. Boil until they float. That's them saying, I'm done. Then finish in butter until golden. Cauliflower puree? Here's the secret. Simmer it in whole milk, not water. Gentle heat. No boiling. Rolling boil makes milk angry, and angry milk curdles. The milk gives you richness from the inside out. Blend with butter until it's smoother than your best dinner party small talk. Now, the sauce. Shallots, red wine, reduce until syrupy. Add beef stock, reduce again. Then, and this is the moment, whisk in dark chocolate off the heat. Chocolate with venison? It's not dessert. It's tradition. The Aztecs did it. The French perfected it. Gordon Ramsay made it famous. Finally, spinach. Quick sauté with garlic just until wilted. We're putting it under the venison to catch all those glorious juices. And tuck a few fresh spinach leaves around the plate for that I definitely belong in a restaurant look. Plate it. Spinach bed. Arrange the gnocchis, adding dots of the puree. Slice that rested venison. Fan it over the spinach. Spoon chocolate sauce around, not on. And if you're feeling fancy, shave a little fresh truffle on top. Now taste. The coffee crust is bitter and smoky. The venison is so tender, it barely needs a knife. The gnocchi are little clouds of earthy luxury. And that sauce? Deep, rich, with chocolate bitterness cutting through like a plot twist you didn't see coming but immediately love. But if there's a king of fine dining pressure tests, this is it. It's a lot of components, but each one teaches you something. And when you pull it off, pure magic. This is Food Illustrated. And as always, enjoy the process of illustration on your plate.